Hello darlings, welcome to Myra Beauty. So today we're doing the three, y'all remember I did the 3 body washes for summer, even though summer's almost over, and the 3, what I do?
Body butter?
Well, with body butters. Now we're going to do body sprays or body mist, whatever the hell you want to call it. So we got a teaspoon of vegetable glycerin in each one of these. Now, glycerin is not an emulsifier, but it will help emulsify the water and witch hazel we're about to put in it. So, we got 2 ounces of water. So a teaspoon of whatever, vegetable glycerin and 2 ounces of water. Oops. That one's smaller than I thought.
Well,
I didn't realize that one was smaller. Is it? I don't think it is. I think I just overdid it with the water. We're gonna pour some out though.
typical Myra Beauty.
Shut the hell up. Okay. So then we're gonna do about a teaspoon of witch hazel in each, and I'm not measuring, but you know, we're just gonna eyeball it because ain't nobody got time today. So it's just like making the aftershaves that we did, minus the carrier oils, because the aftershave we put, I think, jojoba oil and vitamin E in it. So it's like that, but minus those. So now we're gonna do our scents, which is Plumeria. So about 14. That was 15, but it's whatever. All right, and we got the strawberry watermelon. Oh.
Yummy.
Yummy. I think I put too much, but you know what? It is whatever. And you can put more or less depending on how strong you want it. All right, and then we have the last one, which is the pineapple passion fruit. All right, and you don't have to add the coloring to it, but if you want to add the coloring, you can. So we got a little bit of whatever. I'm just doing it for the picture.
Cool, I like that one.
Of course you would, because it looks like blood, you weirdo. And they might mix together, they might not. Let's see. And you just put them together and you shake them up. And there you go. There's your Plumeria. Your pineapple passion fruit. Now this is actually the red one, like I said in the last 2 videos, just regular food coloring. I didn't have my food coloring, my body coloring for body stuff. And your pineapple passion fruit. So that is literally it for this video. Yep, it's short, simple, to the point. But anyway, that's it. That's your 3 scents. So you have your body wash, which don't forget to put the emulsifying wax in like I did because I'm an idiot. And then your wet body butter, and then your body spray. So there you go for the summer. And yep, you know summer's almost over. You can have it next year. Anyway, love you guys. Thank you guys for watching.